Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of the Tough Collective YouTube channel.
Today we are picking up all the painted parts for the new Falcon.
Yes, the new Forg Falcon. If you missed the last video, I purchased $2.5 grand worth of bits and pieces and panels for the new Ford.
Sent it out to Ash at WA Automotive Paint Repair.
Yes, and he's done us an amazing deal, and he's had it for the last week, painting the parts, color matching it, and I cannot wait. He sent us a few clips, what it looks like.
Very good.
Very, very good. So now we're gonna drive an hour, go and pick it up, we'll come back, we'll put it on the car. I'm so excited, man. This thing's gonna look... Oh, yes. Oh, dude, I've waited my whole 2 weeks for this moment.
It's been a long time.
Yeah, it's
been a struggle, man.
It's been a struggle, but we're still not over it yet. We're still struggling.
Yes,
right.
we are.
We are.
All around me or from me.
We'll see you guys at WA Automotive Paint Repair. We have landed at WA Automotive Paint Repair. Ash is in there. He's finalizing a few things for us. I'm so excited. Daniel, are you excited?
I had a sneak peek and it looks spectacular.
I have not seen it yet. I'm so keen. I just thought that I'd show you some of Ash's work. Look at this. This is his BMW. It's a twin turbo BMW, and he's done it in this custom paint. So some angles it's gold, some angles it's black, some angles it's purple. Yeah, red, orange. Oh, dude, this color, so nice. He's getting rid of the cream interior. Oh, he's got the black. He's got the black now. Oh, that looks so nice.
He's got Pro Drags, and I'm not a big fan of Pro Drags, but he's blacked out all the lettering and everything. Dude.
Oh, look how deep those are. Holy Jesus.
They look good.
They look good. Look at.
I don't like the silver when they're silver.
Yeah, I had a look before he didn't. I didn't like that.
Nah, these all black. They look sick.
All black. Look at the color. Look at the quality, guys. If you need anything done, he's really trying to dive into more street cars, stuff like this. If you guys need anything, head over to WA Automotive Paint Repair. Ash will definitely take care of you. He's looked after us, and if this is anything to go off, the Forg will be absolutely sick.
It's gonna be very nice, man.
Very tough, some might say. All right, let's go in. Let's talk to Ash. Oh, and let's have a look at the new Ford panels. Look at him, he's hard at work. Sanding, look at him go. Hey, mate.
Happening.
Ah, you're all red.
A little bit.
So what are you doing here?
Well, I'm start with saying, you know, we tell children don't smoke, it's bad for you. Aerosols are bad for your kids.
Yep.
Don't use them. They're terrible things.
The one done. Do you want to introduce yourself to the guys?
Our MASH Automotive Paint Repair. I'm me, myself and I in this place. I'm the only person here, so that's why I'm happy. Spray painter, 22 years. Ready to hand over these parts to these fine gentlemen.
I'm so excited. Daniel, I'm so excited.
They look good.
Oh, they're behind me. I've not seen them yet. I'm just about to have a look at them now. Damn. Oh, damn! Oh my God. New panels in 3, 2, 1. Damn. Oh my God. Look how shiny it is. Wow. Oh, even got the sparkles on the inside too. Oh. Bumpers. The bumpers here. The side fender. Oh, the front bumper. Ooh. Oh. That's all right. They'll get dusty on the drive home.
Damn.
Damn. Ooh. Oh.
Not keen to install it because it's going to take so long.
Yeah, it's going to take so long, but that's okay. That's why we have Dagnal. Ash, I think you've outdone yourself, man.
Just doing my job.
This is amazing.
Wow. I've done the full inside of the bonnet as well. So
Oh, true.
Yeah. That's what you do.
Wow.
It's all glossed and the same colour inside as well. So.
Oh.
At least when you open your bonnet, it looks all pretty.
Yeah, wow. Apart from the engine. Hey, barrows are cool.
Not yours.
Oh.
She'll be alright.
Wow. Ash, I cannot thank you enough. Look at this. If you guys need any work done, come down. Automotive Paint Repair. Ash will take care of you.
All part of the service.
Yeah, wow. Also, we've got another present for you. We've got Dagnal's rims.
Oh, lovely.
Someone scuffed them.
Somebody scuffed them.
the whole centre go silver, yeah?
Yeah.
And then keep this polished.
If you can, yeah.
Two-piece, they'll come out, won't it?
No.
Oh, they're just false. Pretends.
They're genuine works with false two-piece.
All right, let's get these wheels inside. Daniel, to work. Oh, okay, I'll help. All right, so we have all the painted parts loaded up, secured it. It kind of looks like an absolute mess, but this is just so Waypole don't pull us over. Guys, I'm so keen for the final product. I'm not looking forward to putting it all together because that will take some time. We've also got the headlights and the fog lights as well to do, but I am so excited looking at this, looking at these. Ash has outdone himself. If you guys need absolutely anything done, make sure to hit up WA Automotive Paint Repair. They will look after you. He is absolutely awesome. He's a one-man band. Show him some love. If you need any work done, hit him up, tell him Tough sent you, and get your car looking absolutely amazing. Thank you again, WA Automotive Paint Repair. Thank you, Ash. Now let's head on back to the warehouse and get these parts on the Forg. So we finally made it back to the warehouse and we've got all the parts sorted here. So we've got the front bumper, the XR front bumper, the rear bumper, the bottom rear, I don't even know what that's called.
Richy, sorry, I'm just bringing our biggest fan over.
Oh, that our biggest fan. Wow. The bottom rear, and we've got the side fender here, the fog lights, the headlights, and the piece de resistance. I don't know if I pronounced that correctly, but the finale piece, the XR8 bonnet. This car is going to look so different. We are so excited. I also can't believe we're building 2 Ford Falcons. I can't believe I sold my 370Z for this.
I don't know why you did that, man. The Z was cool.
You didn't like the Z. Daniel, you said you didn't like the Z.
I love the Z. I don't know why.
Don't say you love it now.
I like the Z. The Z's cool. I don't know why you got rid of it.
I can't work in these conditions, man. Gaslight, gatekeep, Dan boss.
Alright, man.
Let's get this car going.
Let's do it.
Ain't nothing to it but to do it. Another thank you to Ash from WA Automotive Paint Repair. These look so good. I cannot thank him enough. And he did this all without even coming over and scanning. This is all just him, raw talent. Another thank you, Ash. Oh, I'm so keen. Oh, I'm so keen to get this all done. And then when the new plates come in, oh, you guys thought that was it. New plates coming soon. So before we put on the XR front bumper, we need to put on the fog lights.
Here we go.
So now it is time for one of my favorite parts, the new headlights. All right, so we have the old headlights here and the new headlights here, and all we're gonna do is just swap out the globes from the old headlights onto the new ones.
That's nice.
Daniel, it's all coming together. Look how nice that looks. Looks pretty good for a Ford, I guess. The only thing that it's missing is it needs the bottom grille. So we're gonna have to try and work something out. What's left to do is the rear bumper, the bottom part of the bumper, and the hood. All right, now it's time to shut the bonnet and see how it all looks. We are going to pick up the front grille and the bottom front grille. We're gonna get them blacked out. Now it's time to see what it looks like. Whoa. Whoa. That actually sits pretty well. That sits pretty flush. Not bad at all. Whoa, ho, ho. Look at the color. Daniel, wow, haha, wow. Daniel, what do you think?
I think it's all right for a Ford.
It's all right for a Ford?
For a Ford.
Yeah, for a Ford. Look at that. Oh, and the, oh. Guys, look at this. Now you cannot say that this isn't an amazing transformation. This thing looks incredible. The windows are down. They have been tinted recently. So when the windows are up, it'll be a completely different feel. Now there's only two things left to complete the front end of the car. The grills. Boom, look at that. Oh. Now I think the grills definitely complete the front end. Now I know this just looks like a stock XR6 that we've chucked some wheels on and a bit of tilt. But to us and you guys who have watched build series, you know that this isn't just an XR6, it's an XT. Dagnal is, he's just taking off the tail lights and then we can replace the rear bumper. The reason why we're replacing it is there's a big scuff mark there. Yay for us. So, we have the parts just over there, and we're gonna replace them. Ooh. This color never came in an XR6. So it's offshore blue, they only made it in the XT, so it's very rare. Boom! And there she is, guys. Look at that. Daniel, come on, you've got to say it's a nice car now.
It's getting there.
It's getting there?
The rest of it needs a respray because...
yeah, I think Ash did he did too good of a job at matching the colour back in 2004. And the rest of the car, obviously from sitting in a garage space for 2 years and, you know, existing since 2004.
So, faded.
Yeah, a bit faded. But I've got to say, damn.
It does look very good.
It looks very, very good.
Now it looks like an XR6 with wheels.
Yes, XR6 with wheels. Nice. All right. No. Oh. All right, get back in here. I just want to say another massive thank you to Ash from WA Automotive Paint Repair. You have outdone yourself. If you guys need anything done, that's my horrible paint job, not Ash's. If you guys need anything done, hit him up. Check out his socials, they'll be linked down in the description below. If you guys want to buy any merch, any jumpers, t-shirts, stickers, where do they go, Daniel? Yeah, we don't know where. Look at this guy.
In the description, man.
Yeah, in the description. If you enjoy the content, if you're enjoying following the build series of the free Barn Find Falcon, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you in the next video.
What's the next video?
Bags. Ooh, double. Subscribe.
Subscribe.
Subscribe. All right.